Okay, this is problem number 56 from page 256, and we are given this piecewise function which represents the depth of snow somewhere in Michigan, and we're asked to graph. So to graph, let's take a look at each piece. F of x equals 6.5x, that's a line. The next one, that's also a line, and the third one, that's a line. So we're graphing a piece of a line, a piece of another line, and a piece of another line. And if you focus on the slope here, 6.5, that's a positive slope. So that tells us that the snow depth is increasing. But the next two slopes are negative slopes, so that tells us that the snow depth is decreasing. And this slope is not as great as the following one, so decreasing snow depth and decreasing at a much faster rate. Snow depth is what we're seeing there. And to draw the graph, I'd like to have an endpoint for where I start each line and where I end each line. So we take this value 0, plug it in, 6.5 times 0 is 0, that's a starting point. And then we take this value 4, plug it in, 6.5 times 4 is 26, that's an ending point. And we move on to the second one, do the same thing. Take 4, plug it in, we get 26. And then take 6, plug it in, and we get 15. Same thing for the third piece. Take 6, plug it in, we get 15. And take 6.5, plug it in, and we get 0. Okay, so it's time to make the graph. So along the x-axis, we have the month. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go out to 6.5. And we're told in the problem that month 0 is October. So we have October, November, December, January, February, March, and April. And because we already found these ordered pairs, we know that the highest snow depth is 26. We have 15 as a significant number in the problem. So let's go ahead and label the y-axis, maybe 15 here and 30 here, and we'll say that around there is 26. Okay, so starting on the first piece, we have a solid circle at 0, 0, and we have a solid circle at 426, right about there somewhere. Going to the next piece, we have an open circle at 426, but there's already a solid circle there. And then we have a solid circle at 615, right about there. And then finally, we have an open circle at 615, but there's already a solid circle there. And then we have a closed circle at 6.50. Okay, so this is the graph that takes care of part A. And then for part B, we're talking about the deepest snow. So that would be the snow with the greatest number on the y-axis there. So the deepest snow is 26 feet. And it looks like that occurred in month 4, which was February. And part C is asking us, when does the snow begin and when does it end? So it looks like it began in October. And it looks like it ended over here midway through April.